Hey flowers, it's Reese LaFleur, and today I am back with another video. What up? What up, what up, what up? I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today we are doing nails again. But this time we're doing PolyGel nails. It's not easy, sis. It was not easy. It took me a little second, but we pushed through, we got through. So if you want to see how I did these nails, go ahead and continue to watch. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Thumbs up this video. Comment down below. Share this video with your friends. Let everybody know I just did my nails, girl. And you can do yours too. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Remember to bloom, because a flower is just so blossoming in nature. Mwah.
Lotus flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Okay flowers, we're starting with the Marquette nail extension gel, electric nail drill, a LED lamp, and then some nail forms. So this is how the Marquette gel extension kit comes. It comes with 6 different colors. You can use some other forms that they come with, a nail file, and then the brush, and then the picker for the gel is there. Base gel, top it off, we need that, and then we're going to use the color natural pink. This is how the UV lamp looks. It turns on as soon as you put your fingers in, and this is the nail drill, and I'm just using one of those drills to buff off the nails right now, and this is to take all of the oil out of the nails, so that the gel and the base gel stays on longer. So that's the base gel right now. So you're just putting that on. You put this on to protect your hand, and you put it in the gel. So I went ahead off camera and I went to do some of the nails because I couldn't figure it out. So what you're gonna do is you just put the nail form and you form that nail form the way you want it to. So that's what I did there, and you can see it's a stiletto shape. So now I just take a little bit of the nail gel out of the tube, put it on my nail, and then I add alcohol. That's alcohol that I'm adding, y'all. So you don't need any acetone or anything like that. You just need alcohol, and I put about 2 to 3 layers on each nail because I do like my nails really thick. So that's what I did there. So I ended up using almost the whole tube. I was only able to have enough gel left to just do my feet. So these are probably only good for 1 or 2 nail sets, and probably is good for another fill-in as well. So as you can see, I'm just repeating that step over and over, and then I place it in the UV lamp to help it dry. So I did that halfway through, and then I did my other 2 fingers, and now you're seeing me do my pinky, girl. I actually like doing these gel nails better right now. Yeah, I like them better. So I'm just pulling off the nail form. It is a little bit hard, so you want to take your time to pull that off. And after you pull them off, you're going to put it right back in the drill, and then we're going to go to filing. So like I was trying to say, girl, like these nails are so much better. They're so much easier to manage. They're so much easier to manipulate, and it melts down into it. It's weird. Like I don't have any lumpiness or anything like that. I didn't even have to use the nail drill on top of it. So I do love this. So now I'm going ahead and I'm putting the top it off. We're going to top it off, girl, to make it shiny. Yes, girl. Oh my God, is that a pigeon? Y'all, sorry. So I'm just putting the top it off on the other hand, and then you go ahead and put it in the UV gel, and then you just wipe that off with alcohol, and that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed these nails. I love doing my nails now. Like I feel like I'm like a nail girl. Like who coming to get their nails done? I'll see you guys in my next one.